Let's get going. I can't wait to show you these new townhomes in the Northwest. Hi, so today I am visiting some townhomes here in the Northwest. I am very excited to see what they look like inside, so let's check it out. So as we go into the front door, you'll see a very spacious open floor plan with the living room, and there's the stairs, and of course the large kitchen. Open floor plan easily for entertaining. You have your large powder room. Okay, as we make our way upstairs, you can see how the open loft area is a magnificent area for whatever you choose, and then we have the 2 bedrooms right here. So we are in the primary bedroom upstairs, and right there, that's the highway. And show you. See? Now you can hear the difference. So that was pretty amazing, right? So now listen. Quiet. So I kind of want to reiterate a couple things, so I'm going to be reading from this page. So again, the solar is included in these lovely homes, and the buyer will receive a tax credit when they file their taxes if your tax accountant says that is something that you are eligible to do. But anyway, the next thing is, I showed you a picture of the heating and air conditioning, and the only reason I did that is because it's called Energy Recovery Ventilator, and what it does is helps keep the house and home fresh and cool in the summer and warm in the winter. There are, before I forget, there are 5 move-in ready homes that will be done probably by the end of May, first thing June, so they are going to be fantastic, lovely homes. Then the remaining 7 to 8 homes should be ready around July, August. So whatever your time frame, I'm sure we can make it work. Then also 2, do you remember the bunny that was in their attic that he put up there? So the house is built with foam insulation, so that chocolate bunny has actually been there since July of 2024. How cool is that? Next thing is the water softener will be plumbed. That comes included, not the water softener, but the plumbing to install a water softener, as well as I showed you in the garage of the model, it was a 240 amp for any EV cars. So that was pre-wired. So isn't that fantastic? The HOA is $151, and that includes the roof, exterior, as well as the upkeep of the desert landscaping in the area. So this is pretty awesome.